Welcome! Today's tutorial is about how to make borders in Excel. And not only that, we're going to have a look at how to erase or remove the borders completely. Let's start. Hello and welcome to EasyClick Academy. My name's Maria, and together with our EasyClick team, we're here to make sure you'll be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way thanks to our digestible video tutorials. To draw borders in Excel, we need to select a relevant table area first. Then we go to the Home tab, click on this little arrow next to the icon for Borders, and choose the bordering we want to apply. We'll select Outside Borders, and Excel immediately makes a border around the table. To draw borders around each cell within the table, select the area again, and now choose the option All Borders. If you're looking for something different, you can use any style of borders you want. Simply click here on More Borders, and under the tab Border, you'll find everything necessary to adjust the borders according to what you need. So, let's say we want to use a double line for the outside border. Look for the double line in the section Style. Select this type of the line, and now we need to define where we want to use the double line, so we'll click on Outline right over here. We can check the preview of what the borders will look like once applied here. In a similar way, we can choose the color of borders. For example, we want to use this dotted line style inside the table, so we'll click on it. But we also want it to show in blue. To do that, we need to go to the option Color and select the shade of blue we want to use. The button Inside, located here at the top of the window, will apply these settings to the inside borders. Have a look yourself and try out other possible options provided here in this window. As soon as everything's been set, just click on OK to apply the changes, and that's it. But before we wrap it up for today, let's have a look at one more thing. If you decide to remove the borders, there's more than one way to do that. The first one we're going to talk about helps you remove the border only partly. Go to the Border options, select Erase Border, and click on a border line you want to erase. And it's gone. Once finished, press the Escape button to exit the eraser mode. And here comes the second one, which is the most effective way to remove all borders at once. Select the area where you want to remove the borders. From the options, select No Borders. Voila! All borders from the selected area have been removed. Now you might also be curious how to get rid of the grid lines in a spreadsheet. If you want to know more, we're happy to help. Learn how to hide grid lines in Excel in another of the video tutorials by EasyClick Academy. The link's in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials by EasyClick Academy. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time on EasyClick? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join the Easy Clickers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.